Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this week Carl and I are taking a little break. We're away for a holiday, and I just wanted to share that with you and so that you know what I'm doing and why you haven't seen me. So here's a little caption of the hotel that we're staying at. We're still in Melbourne. We haven't really traveled anywhere. Well, I should say Melbourne. We're still in Australia. And we're sitting at the Continental Hotel in Sorrento, and we're having a beautiful time. Just wanted to take you around. We haven't long arrived, and so we're just looking around to see what's about in the hotel. This is one of their dining areas. I think this is the open bar or the bar for the gallery or something like that. But yeah, it seems really beautiful and peaceful and quiet, which is what we wanted, something just relaxing and to just have some fun. This is the pizzeria area, and we're just having a really relaxing time. So have a look around with us and see what it is like in this Continental Sorrento Hotel, which is beautiful. There's a lovely spa, which I intend to take full use of. And they've got some really beautiful meats and everything here for you to choose from. And yeah, it just seems really nice. So I'm looking forward to it. And just to chill out and relax, and definitely we'll see you guys next week. And I hope you're having a good time, and I hope you're quilting and practicing all the things that you want to make and just relaxing, guys. So I'm going to let you go. Have a good time, and I'll definitely see you next week when we arrived back at home. Jackson is with my daughter, and I think he's been spoiled more than ever. She's taken him on walks twice for the day. So I think he's going to expect that when I come back, but that's not going to happen. One walk a day is going to be what I can do for him. But yeah, he's being spoiled as he loves being the center of attention, as you guys know. But anyway, we're going to continue to look around. We're going to get some breakfast, and a bit hungry at this point in time. So I'll definitely see you next week, guys. Ciao.